Hi, welcome to session Social Media Marketing Mastery. In this session, I'm going to show you how social media marketing can be done. Let me share the screen. Let us dive into the session. Before I share my screen, I want you to focus on this session. It is very helpful and also you will gain knowledge over social media marketing, actually how and what is the things need to be considered to do marketing over social media platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook. So here I'll be teaching you, or I can say I will be sharing my knowledge on social media marketing. So let us see the details. As today is Republic Day, I'm wishing you each and everyone a happy Republic Day. Let me share my screen. So here we go, Social Media Marketing Mastery. And this is me. Let us see what is there inside. It is a step-by-step system to build, grow, and monetize your brand online. So welcome to this session. I'll give you an overview of this session and also what we will be learning, what are the insights we'll be taking, the key takeaways, everything. Okay, so let us start. So before starting the session, I want to introduce about myself. My name is Rupa Thakur and I am a freelance digital marketing coach with my brand name RS Digital Creator. I have 15 years of work experience with 6 years in digital marketing coaching. I help clients in providing digital marketing services and also coaching. So I help coaches, freelancers to get their consistent, high quality clients with digital marketing services and coaching using proven content plus lead system. This is about me. So why social media is the number one business skill today? Attention equal to currency means when people are looking at you, they will have one idea what you're doing, how you are helping them, and that builds a trust. Then you can convert them for your services or for your products to buy. So attention equal to currency. Social media as you can use social media as lead generation tool. What is lead generation tool? Nothing but it is through social media. We gain followers, we gain people who inquire about our services or our product. So it is a lead generation tool. We can collect the leads. When you post something on content, helpful content on social media platform, when you post some content on social media platform, people will see that content if it is interested and if connects with them. If the content is connecting to them, means they feel it is for me, the post is built for me, then they will message you or comment on your post, or they will inquire about the details of your product. So these are all that lead will be coming to your inbox. Okay, so lead generation tool. Brand building machine means when you are posting consistently on your platforms, people are watching your reels or watching your content, or they are getting some help on through your content. They will follow you and they will share your content with people who are related to that post or to that reel. This create brand. Okay, you can build your brand. So people when watch something, immediately they will identify, oh, this belongs to this page, this Insta page, like that. Okay, so brand building mission. You can use social media as a brand building mission. You can use social media as a lead generation tool. You can use social media as a sales channel. You can also sell the products on social media. We have everything built in structure on every platform, whether it is Instagram, whether it is a Facebook page, whether it is a LinkedIn page. You can build it. We can create your sales. But to get the sales before that, we have to create the brand, we have to collect the leads, we have to build a trust. These are all things we need to have. That is a system. Next, organic versus paid power. Organic versus paid power is when you are posting consistently. Okay, so people are watching freely your content. You're offering some services or some content freely or helping them. Okay, paid means you are going to run paid campaigns to promote your product, to promote your sessions, or to promote your services, anything to promote means to gather more people, we go for paid ads. Through organic, you will get people through the search engines. Like people will search about you, your product, or about your service. Then they will come to know and they will follow you. Paid is the platform itself showing the people related your target audience that so and so service or so and so product is available on this page so that they will follow you. So both are different. Okay, social media marketing mindset. What is the mindset here? Consistency versus virality. Okay, if you are posting daily, if you're posting daily, it is not sure that every day it will go viral, right? Only one or two posts will go viral basing on the connectivity, basing on the content you are doing. If it is really helpful, or if it is a heart touching, or if it is connected to some story, something like that, then it will go viral. Strategy, you have to follow one strategy, like you can post daily or you can post weekly twice or you can post, you have to set the strategy, you have to create the strategy, which strategy suits which platform, you have to understand and then start posting. You have to give value through your content, then only people will buy. If you're not providing value directly, you're posting buy my product for this thing, no one will buy. You have to first allow the people to think about your product or to think about your service. That happens only you provide value by posting content daily that helps the people, right? How social media algorithm actually work. First time is watch time. Okay, previously we had only 2 minutes of watch time. Now Insta has increased its watch time to 3 minutes. Okay. Next, engagement. How you are making the people to take action or to spend some time on your post or reel. Okay. Then consistency. How often you are posting and what type of post you are doing, what type of strategy you are following to post. Next, relevance. You are posting the related content, whatever you are showing up for your product, or you are doing multiple posting. Like sometimes you'll be posting about birthday, sometimes you'll be posting about wedding, sometimes you'll be posting about your products, and so these are all mixed. But it should not be like that. You have to follow related content, right? Um, like you keep separate page for your personal account and for the product or service that you're doing. Okay, personal account you keep separate, product or service you keep separate. Then in personal when you post anything that is good. But when you are doing for product or service, keep a separate page. Even it is better if you have a separate email ID for this and build your Instagram account on it, then post content. That is will be very fine. But if you are using same email ID, then create one more account on Insta. We have options to create multiple accounts on Insta. There you can create. Okay. Then post content that is related only to your product or service that you are offering. Follow one strategy, daily posting, weekly to twice or thrice, or whatever formula you have that you have to follow and post it. That is how the actual algorithm works. Next, what type of platform you need to choose? We have 4 platforms: Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube. So, YouTube is a long term content engine. It is like monetization is there, and you will be having good options there. But YouTube is a separate platform where in this session I'm not discussing about YouTube. We are discussing only about Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. These three I'll be giving. So Instagram, personal brands, lifestyle creators, influencers, these are all use Instagram. Means when you want to create a personal branding or lifestyle or creators or influencers, this Instagram will help. Next, Facebook. If you want to build community, go for Facebook. We need all the platforms. It is not that we don't need this platform. We need all the platforms. In Instagram, you'll be posting content daily. You will be talking about your product. You'll be sharing some knowledge about your product, helping with services. These are all everything on Instagram. Facebook, suppose on Instagram you have posted a reel, okay, and it is helpful, they have commented. You have added an option to comment uh, to get my support. So they have commented. Then immediately what you have to do, you have to reply them, join this community for my support. So the community link will be provided on Facebook. So create a Facebook group, add them into your Facebook group. It may be WhatsApp also, but WhatsApp marketing is a different channel. We are discussing about Facebook. So create a Facebook group, add them into Facebook group, invite the people to the group, then start sharing the valuable content there in the community. And you can, when you run the ad also, these people will be there to there to access your content. Then LinkedIn. If you want to build authority and B2B, means business to business, then go for posting on LinkedIn. Means one side you are doing your promotions on your Insta and Facebook. Another side, LinkedIn is the other side of back end of business, we can say. Front end of business, we do Instagram, Facebook. Back end of business, we have to develop our foundation of your business online. That is done on authority and B2B on LinkedIn. Means in LinkedIn, what type of content you'll be sharing? You'll be sharing the updates of your business. How many sales have you done this month? What are the analytics? What is the observation you have made in this 1 year business? These are all things you can share on your LinkedIn page. Create a page and post content for that page. On that page about your whatever sales you are getting or how you are interacting with the customers. When you're taking a feedback of the customer, These are all content you post on LinkedIn that will be helpful to create a foundation of your business on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a platform where B2B connects happen. Suppose there is a similar kind of business who are looking for freelance agencies or something, uh, freelancers who can build marketing online or for social media like Insta, Facebook, or something. They can hire you for the services, for their service. Because you are doing already and you are sharing the results on LinkedIn, by seeing those, business will come to you to hire you. They will take the service from you. Okay, that is how we get the clients through LinkedIn. And YouTube is a different strategy. We will do that in a separate session. So, the three pillars of social media marketing are: first is content, next is distribution, next is conversion. Content means how to create your content, building your content calendar, what type of content you need to post, everything, script, everything you create it. Next, distribution, where we'll be posting the content and on all platforms. Next, conversion, we will be getting the leads. Okay. Define your brand positioning. We have to define the brand positioning. So, first one is who you help. Who you help. And what problem you solve.
Who you help is your target audience to whom you are going to provide the service, or you are selling the product, or who can use your product, or who actually needs your service. That is your target audience. You have to create your customer avatar. This is my customer, ideal customer. Take one ideal customer. Who is your ideal customer? Who will buy your product actually? That you have to get it first. Target audience. You have to identify your right audience. Okay, right audience means the person who actually in need of your help. Okay, so they are your target audience. This you can build by sharing some questionnaires, surveys. These are all things. Okay, this is not like randomly selecting. Anyone can buy. If you are talking to so many people, it is not working. You have to talk only to the right audience. If you are going to people who are already know about the suppose you are selling some um, um, perfume product. Okay, people who are already purchasing, they know more about perfumes, and they are not your right customers, right? Your right customer will be the person who actually likes your product, who actually searching for this kind of perfume. That is your ideal audience. So you have to search for them. Okay, you that is all happens using questionnaire. How to build a questionnaire, how to create your customer avatar. These are all I'll be teaching you inside the session. And in the later, we will be letting know what problem you solve. So, what problem you solve means you have the right audience. Now, how you are going to help them? What is the solution you are providing to them? If the customer is unable to create a presentation, design a presentation, then as a Canva expert, I will help them to design the presentation slides, and I'll give them the template so that they can use it every time when they have the presentation. That is, I'm solving the problem of a coach. Okay, that is how it works. Then why you are different? There are so many Canva experts or graphic designers or PowerPoint experts who can create presentations online. So why I am different from everyone? That we have to show. Maybe you will be giving a template. so that they can reuse it again and again. Maybe you are giving support every time when they can easily contact you. Maybe you are giving intern to work with them so that they can get the work done. This kind of any type. These are the examples. Okay, so you can do all these things. Formula. So what type of formula you can use? I help dash achieve dash without. So target audience clarity. What where your target audience will be there? Demographics. One second.